Nothing is going to change unless you put your feet to the ground and say, I'm digging my heels in. I know it's going to be hard. I know I'm going to have pushback. I know it's going to be requiring me to put time into it. When all my friends are out there running around and clubbing and doing this and chasing tail and doing this and doing that and drinking and having fun on the weekends, no, I'm going to be in these charts studying. I'm going to be living my life differently. But they're still going to be out there trying to chase tail, broke as fuck, driving a beater fucking car, and ain't doing shit in their life. And you'll be able to pull down annual fucking salaries on a week. You can't even imagine where you're going to be. You can't even imagine it. Whatever you think is your level of success, it's not big enough. It's not big enough. You have no idea when you strip all these limitations that you put on yourself. You shackle yourself with your own mindset. You do it. This is all I can see myself doing right now. When you start making $100,000 a year, you start thinking to yourself, well, shit, that wasn't all that hard. I thought it was really hard. Well, now I'm going to aim for $500,000. And the attempts that you do to do that, you get there in less than half the time. And you start thinking, well, shit, they say the first $1 million is the hardest one. I'm about there. Boom, in a couple more months, and then you're there. Then you look back and say, $1 million isn't all that much money. And yeah, it took some effort, but it didn't take as much effort as I thought it was going to take. And then you start making $5 million, $10 million. 15 million, 50 million. And I know I'm talking in numbers none of you can fucking comprehend, but it is what it is, folks. It's just math. It's just math. You're compounding the efforts of what you're able to do on the smallest form. In that little cookie cutter mold that I'm going to find 5 handles in the S&P to begin with. And I'm going to let it grow till I can start doing 8. And then 10, or start with 20 in NASDAQ and work towards 30 and 40 to 50. You only got to do them a few times a week, folks. And as your equity increases, you can afford to do more contracts. That compounds, and you keep adding it more and more and more. But the level of risk is always the same. Whatever you associate in terms of your risk, I'm not going to risk more than 1%. But I can't get rich trading with 1%. Bullshit. You can get rich trading with 1/4 of 1%. You have to submit the time. None of you want to do that part, but that's the part you have to submit to. That's the first thing I submitted to when I first started trading. I had a 20-year plan. Imagine me writing a book. How to be successful and retire 20 years as a trader. Nobody's buying that book. Now, in the 80s and the 90s, that would have been a great title because everything was around what? And for you younger folks, you ain't gonna know this, but it was all mutual fund. It was when mutual funds and fidelity. Everybody was trying to get people to invest in these mutual funds, and they were projecting, this is what you should do. Average is 12% return on stocks over the course of the years. You put this much money in, your money can compound. You'll have $1 million by the time you're whatever. So I was like, well, shit. If I can make 12% in a mutual fund a year, what happens if I start making 12% a month? And then what happens when I start making 12% every 2 weeks? And then what happens if I make 12% a week? And what happens if I can compound my efforts and find trades that yield 12% in the same day? Suddenly, all these big numbers that were fearful for me as even contemplating as realistic ever to reach for, they became reachable. Because I'm not increasing the level of effort in my trades. All I need is the setup. And as the equity increases in the baseline is whatever it is at the time, it's 100,000, 250,000, 500,000, $1 million account. Whatever that is, the risk percentage is never increasing. So whatever you've adopted as your model is, this is what I'm going to risk. It's going to be 1% or less. It's going to be 0.5%. It's going to be 1/4%. You're trying to tell me you're not satisfied risking 1/4 of 1% of $1 million if you have that in your trading. Okay, it's real money, not funded bullshit. It's real money, and you're able to take down a setup that yields 5 to 8 to 10 times what you're risking. Really? You don't think that that's a good living? 50 fucking grand a week? You can't get rich? Oh yeah, you're fucking great. That's rich. You don't know what the fuck you're talking about. You failed math. But you have to give yourself time.
All right, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. How are we doing, chat? Let me turn the mood light on for you in the background. Almost forgot. Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. Happy Tuesday. Say what's up in the chat. Hit the like button if you would be ever so kind. Good morning, guys. Welcome in, welcome in. Good morning, Mr. Gamoudi. Good morning, Nika. Good morning, Kookie. Roger, good morning. Mohammed Lovix. Eric, good morning. Sean, Habibis. David, good morning. JP Trades, Matrix. What's up, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope everybody is doing well. Good morning, Danny. What's up, Gecko? Gabriel, good morning. Carol Hudson. What's up, guys? Welcome in, welcome in. We got, what time is it here? 1 minute till market opens up. So we'll dive into the charts. We did have PPI come out earlier today, boys and girls. PPI came out 8:30. And no other news on the calendar for the rest of the morning, but we did see a further pump to the upside above previous day high. We took out this buy side liquidity at 705 on the NASDAQ as well, with the PPI news. Call me crazy. I was getting comments yesterday on my X like, bro, what are you doing looking for shorts? Only take longs, only go long ever. And I'm not going to lie to you, boys and girls. I'm feeling pretty bearish. Call me a sick son of a bitch, but I'm feeling bearish, boys and girls. So we'll see. So we'll see, man, what we want to do. But we took out that 705 high. I wouldn't be surprised. Oh, missed the opening bell again. Shame on me. I would not be surprised, with that being said, to see another drive up above this data high, perhaps, from PPI. All right, so we do have a data high here from PPI at 8:30. I would not be surprised to see that be traded above, and then maybe we see a reversal. But to me, we're just in a premium, boys. We are in a heavy premium. So drop this shit. You know what I'm saying, boys? You know what I'm saying? Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, everybody? But yeah, that's really all I got for analysis. I mean, we got a lot of lows, obviously, that we can go target. Asia low. We got some equal lows here on NASDAQ. We've got unfilled 1 hour imbalances, 4 hour imbalances. I mean, this is... Come on, boys. Come on. Do I even have to say anything? Let's be honest. Let's be honest with ourselves for once. Let's quit lying to ourselves. The market can't keep going up forever. It can't keep this pace up. Then it'll pull out its best David Goggins impression and just keep running. So we'll see, man. But yeah, I am leaning a little bit more to the bearish side today. Would like to see the weekly high get put in today if it hasn't been put in already. And see if we can ride this bitch on down. You know what I'm saying? Back to rebalance some of this price. All right. That's the thought for now, at least. Straightforward and simple. Asia low, and then where's our? I guess our. Oh, it didn't save that. Oh, come on. Yeah, Asia and London low right here. Sexy, sexy, sexy. I meant to add this. I meant to add this watermark. I saved it yesterday. I guess I didn't save, but that way you boys and girls can see the ticker of these charts over here on the left. There we go. There we go. All right, man. We're pumping straight up at the open here. Looks like we're going to go run that data high on NASDAQ. We see Dow Jones is pushing lower at the moment. And ES starting to make a move up as well. There we go. There's data high. I'm going to delete this. So yeah, man. Don't want to force nothing, but would like to see reversal from here. This was a little 1 hour gap, 1 hour order block, propulsion block, I guess, however you want to view this. Sponsored a new high here to the data high as well now. So yeah, if we could set shorts up off this, this would be nice. Would be quite lovely. That would be lovely. But yeah, you guys can see the Kraken correlation here. We got NQ pushing up. Dow Jones on the top right here pushing down. And then SMT with that data high with ES. What's good, guys? Good morning, Edward. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, what is the poll got going on here today? 40, it's pretty even actually. 43% bullish, 46% bearish. A little bit more bears than bulls, but it's not super lopsided. If anything, I was a little bit more tipped off by, I mean, I couldn't believe how many comments I got where people were like, only long. What's up, Jerson? Good morning. Good morning, guys. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope you guys got your hot cup of Joe ready, boys. Buckle your seatbelts. We're in for another wild one today. What's up, Peter? Peter, you made it to the live trading, Peter. You made it. You're in the right spot. Oh, no, David. David said, not going to lie, Tyler. You jinxed me on Friday. You said, don't be greedy and degenerate. And from a $900 win to losing $3K blew my account. Oh, shit, David. So, David, you didn't listen is what I'm hearing. David, what I'm hearing is that you didn't listen to me. Oh, you said, don't be a degenerate. I thought you said, do be a degenerate, is what David is thinking there. Hey, it happens to the best of us, David. It happens to the best of us. Good morning, guys. Lost 2 in a row. Oh no, Newton. What'd you take, Newton? But yeah, market doing its best David Goggins impression here. The market can't keep running like this. Meanwhile, the market. Stay hard. Hi, David. Sounds good. Next time we'll get him. Next time. 2 shorts before that green huge spike. You took shorts before the open? Yeah, pre-market has never been my jam. Some of you guys love your pre-market trades, but always hard when watching me. Well, that's good. If I stayed live for more than 4 hours, you might have to contact your doctor. That's why I only stream for about 2 usually. Just so nobody has any medical emergencies. All right, well, what are we reaching into here? I saw one comment that said weekly volume imbalance here. Yes. And a monthly. There's a monthly volume imbalance here as well, if you're trying to get real horny with it. Monthly volume imbalance, looks like we're trading into it at the moment. But yeah, a little weekly volume imbalance here. I'll just drop I'll drop a ray on it. Ooh, it also looks like it is a daily OB at that level. 761, pretty close to 750 quarter level. But look how 930 opened up with no lower wick too. No lower wick here, literally straight up. Oh my goodness. Five minutes gonna close, but we're gonna leave a 5-minute bullish gap behind. Just gonna drop overnight. That's hopefully not. We've gotten enough of those overnight moves. We need to save some of them for AM session. Come on. But yeah, nice displacement down on the 1 minute. 1 minute change in the state. I don't know. I just don't want to be the first guy to try shorting this, and then I get ran over, and then it plays out at like 10 or something. I mean, Dow Jones is pumping up now. May just wait on this 5-minute inversion. Still would be a decent setup here. Good risk reward, even just to go into like Asia low. You know, if you went like stop here at these bodies above the gap, went for like this trade here. It's still a 2.4R. Stop's not too bad. Yeah, I really like the Asia London lows. Low hanging fruit. I like I mean even at a bare minimum, this 930 opening price, we're definitely, I think, gonna go put in a lower wick on this during this AM session at some point. I've been wrong before though. How do you find 5-minute entries after using only 1 minute? The 5-minute entries are the same as the 1 minute. You're just waiting a little bit longer. You're just waiting for 5-minute closures instead of 1 minute closures. And the thought process here is just like, well, I could short the 1 minute, but then it's like, even if I'm right for like a very brief period, I'm like, we still need to see this disrespect before this trade plays out. So I could just wait for this to disrespect, then hop in, have a much higher probability of winning, you know, and avoid what would have been a loss here on the 1 minute if you tried just shorting here already. Because even though I want to be short, like, is there still a chance that this market just keeps rallying to the freaking moon? Anything's possible, boys. So, you know, Why do we not trade MNQ instead of MN? What? What do you mean, yeet? Yeet? What a name. Yeet debate. Yeet debate. Why do we trade MNQ instead of MNQ June 2026? I am trading June 2026 micro contract. So I'm not sure. Are you talking about the continuous? Everybody should be trading the June contract right now. Sometimes depending on the firm or platform you're using, it might be automatically baked into the contract you're trading. Is there a difference? One's the continuous contract, one is just the front month. So yes and no. If you have back adjustment on your continuous, then it's the same. It'll automatically show you that front month. But no, in terms of like analysis, it would be the same. But you should do your analysis on NQ and get your levels from NQ. MNQ is just for probably putting on positions if you're not trying to be over leveraged. Is the 935 candle on the 1 minute missing? Is it missing? 935? No. On my micro chart, it's here. Is it gone on the E-mini? Nope. No, I got the 935 candle. Wearing these boots, what would you do to you? 15-minute candle closure, boys. NQ did trade into that volume imbalance that we mentioned, and that 750 quarter level. It's also an old daily order block, bearish order block. I mean, wonder if a boy like me, like if we were to get the reversal here and get like a 5-minute change in the state, go for something like this. But as we continue kind of pushing new highs here and forming new structure, this is going to continue to change. Dow Jones trading back down into this 5-minute gap now. Yeah, NQ is freaking NQ's on steroids right now. NQ's on steroids, boys. I don't know. I kind of don't like that. I kind of don't like how strong this is. Leaving this unfilled too. It's almost as if it almost wants to be setting this kind of a play up. We'll see. Going to be entering the macro here in a few minutes. It'll be interesting to see if we can reject here before the hour, you know. If the stronger that the hourly candle closes, it kind of does taint the confidence in the short a little bit for like the 10 a.m. hour. But see what we want to do here in the last 10-15 minutes. Why is it scary? Well, if you just remember like yesterday, if this hourly candle ends up closing strong bullish, you know, do I want to like immediately fade that into the next hour? Maybe not as much, but Probably the most aggressive you could get here would be like this 2 minute if we get an inversion here. It would be like a 2 hour back down to just 9:30 open. It's like a 5 hour down to London, Asia. See here, boys. Still holding this 2 minute gap. No trade as of yet. Macro's about to start here. Paris says short. If y'all get stopped out, try it again. I'm waiting on this 2 minute inversion, guys. If we get the inversion, I'm going to take it now that we're in the macro. If not, we'll wait, man. We'll wait. Yeah, Paris, what if the second try gets stopped out? Chat's wondering. Fuck it, I'll do it again. That was what I said to that was what I said to Kyle on Twitter this morning. Where is this? He goes, longs only, my boy. Even on a gap down days, LMAO. Ever since I stopped shorting, my win rate went to the moon. Mood. I'll fucking do it again. I'll fucking short this shit again. Try me, bitch. Buddy thinks I'm afraid to short this shit. I ain't fucking afraid. No, sir. Not me. Good morning, guys. Paris creating liquidity for himself. Yeah, he might be. He might be the ops after all. He might be the ops. Nothing here yet, though, man. NQ is the stronger asset right now. Holding everything bullish. I don't know. Maybe this just continues into the top of the hour after all. You see Dow Jones, a little bit more willingness to trade down here. It's trading down into this 5 minute. I'm just staying patient, boys. Hasn't confirmed lower for me yet. Hasn't confirmed lower for me as of yet, boys. Your win rate is the lowest when it just moons. Yeah, my default setting is just when we're too lopsided one direction, I can't help myself but want to look for that mean reversion, that correction trade. You know, if I keep they say the trend is your friend, but I've found that if you keep buying high and selling too low, you eventually sell the bottom and you buy the top. So the trend is your friend until the end, chat. It's your friend until it's not your friend. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's see, guys. We're coming in 9:54 right now. Why is NQ gay? I don't know. I don't think it's being gay right now. It must just mean some of you guys are too gun-ho. You're forcing the short too early. So it's got to stop some of you out. Got to keep you guys a little bit on your toes. And then she'll run. And then she'll run. I appreciate you guys for the sacrifice. Thank you for being the guinea pigs. For anybody that went short on that 1 minute. Your sacrifice will not be forgotten. Do I think trend lines are valid for liquidity? I mean, everything will work sometimes. If trend lines never worked, then they would have never become like a strategy. But I mean, they work sometimes. But as far as I'm concerned, they only work in like accumulation phases. Which goes against when I'm trying to trade. Oh, it's going to close and make me think about it, ain't it? You fucker, dude. It's going to make me think about it, dude. Why do you got to do that? It's going to close. It's going to close just so it doesn't confirm the trade just yet. You better not print no Drake candle that ends down here, NASDAQ, I swear. I'll have had it up to here now if you do that. Just so you know. I'm going to be spanking that ass if you do something like that. So you better not. You better not. The best thing about this trade, though, is that even if you get a shitty entry, the risk reward still stays pretty good. Do you prefer Diddy candle rock trades? All right, let's see, guys. 30 seconds left on this 2 minute. If we get the closure below this inversion or below this gap, I'm going to try it. Market execute a little short ski. Market is waiting for a Trump tweet. I hope not. All right. I'm going to give it a go, boys. We did get the closure below. We're in the macro. I want to see this thing flush out of here. I'm in short. I'm in short. I probably will do a partial off at 9:30 open, by the way. It's over 2R, and there was just no lower wick on that, so I like using that as a good partial. Yeah, boys, we got to drop at some point. We'll see if it's now or later. Let's see if the see if the macro can deliver us from evil. I like the rejection on that 15-minute. We are most likely, however, we'll see where we're at, but this 15 is, well, this hourly is going to close, and we're going to leave behind a 15-minute bullish gap. Just a heads up on that. So below this 15-minute candle, we will be trading into a 15-minute bullish gap after this candle closure. You're short because it's me. Don't copy trade, boys and girls. Don't copy trade me. Only short if you agree. Rest in peace, my granny. She got hit by a bazooka. I just don't see any other like reason for us to go higher from here. You know, we've traded into like everything that was close proximity as far as buy side, even that weekly volume imbalance. Daily OB, like, come on, man. We got to go take some lows here at some point. These bulls can't just be ever perma profitable. Right? We're basically just chopping the entry right now. Macro is not doing a whole lot, which is not fantastic. I use standard deviations in OT quite often, I would say. So I like them. I like them. Standard deviations is basically just fib ranges, fib extensions. I'm kind of debating how I want to play this break even. There's the 15 moment of truth here, boys. We just traded into the 15-minute bullish fair value gap. So, like, if this is all that we get and then we just see price rally out of this 15-minute, that sucks to suck. That's really all I can say. Yeah, that's it. So it's up to you how you want to play this, but this is the 15-minute that we're opposing right now, okay? Just so you're aware. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it, but yeah, if we see strong reaction out of this, it's probably GG's. Just a heads up. You've been fair warned. Like if this 1 minute just goes rocketing out of here, it's probably GG's. Wish me luck. Now turn your head and cough. Not exactly the reaction you would want to see if you wanted to see lower off that 15-minute, by the way. And the macro is coming to an end, so there's that. But yeah, I was thinking as far as I told you guys, I was kind of like where do I want to go break even at here? And I was thinking probably like if we were to get back to discount of this range here, which would basically just be below this low here and this gap here. If we even get there, we'll see. Yeah, not what we wanted. 15-minute gap tap, 1 minute bullish change in the state. Basically exactly what you didn't want to see. Only hope here is that we SMT this high with ES and we see some salvation. ES is running a new high here. See, I'm just gonna let stop hit if we're gonna get taken out though. Reclaim the inversion. Not good. What's up, 10 trades? It's not going down at all. I see that, edits. I see that we are staying strong here. Yeah, SMT here is our last line of defense. My last hope. One minute in inverse. What are you talking about? I'm just going off the 15-minute gap sponsoring this move up. Time frame alignment, 15-minute gap tap, 1 minute change in the state. That's a bullish setup right there. You could have longed right here if you're bullish. So yeah, probably getting stopped out here. Stopped out. I'm out. Time to go retweet my tweet. Fuck it, I'll do it again. Yeah, man. So wanted to see a better movement there in the macro. Obviously didn't get that. We just chopped around here. Left the 15-minute behind. We tapped into it. I did tell you guys that I'm like, if we move up out of here with a change in the state, it's probably GG's. And there you go. So sure enough. But yeah, man, for better or for worse, I'm just going to continue to view this market as a premium. Like it or don't like it, that's just how it's going to go. That's just how it's going to go, all right? Yeah, Paris, are you still holding your shorts? I'm out, boys. I'm out. I gave it a try here off that inversion. No cigar in the macro. No cigar for you, boy. I mean, yeah, at this point, it's just like, what are we reaching for? What are we reaching for? What's the draw here? I don't even know. Just like endless longs, I guess. So we'll wait. Going to try one more. So did you, I'm assuming you got stopped out, just got out? Oh, okay. I see. Yeah, we'll wait for a little bit higher time frame structure at this point, right? 3-minute gap there. I'm not gonna trust that. We want to see preferably like a 5-minute change in the stay lower. At this rate. Still kind of hovering around that quarter level, 750 quarter level. Yeah, boys, thought the macro would come through for us. I really did. I thought the macro was going to come through there. She did not. She did not. Unless you were going for higher, I guess. Oh, interesting. The poll switched now. Now we're even. 45% bullish, 45% bearish. Y'all cheating. But get the likes up, boys. Get the likes up. We'll do should we start doing giveaways like every 100 likes or what? Should we make that a thing? Should we do something like that? Give away every like 100 likes? I feel like that'd be a good little rule of thumb, wouldn't it? So yeah, get the likes up, boys. We'll do a giveaway at 100 plus likes. If we get 200 plus, maybe we'll do another one. While we're waiting, it's just gonna be a wait and see mode at this point, boys. I mean, I came into the market today feeling like we're in a premium, wanting to see us manipulate higher at the open, give us a chance to go short. You know, I took my one attempt in the 10 o'clock macro, what I felt like was a decent setup there, and just did not get obviously any follow through. So it is what it is. I gotta wait at this point though. I'm not gonna impose my will on this. This is just gonna be like, I don't know, this might just be retarded and be one of those buy forever weeks. I don't know. You know, so just gotta sit and be patient. Just gotta sit and be patient. Yeah, it's not really my cup of tea when it's too one-sided. Expansion, yes, but like aggressively, completely one-sided, not so much. And it's not even like really new. Like if we just think about the fundamentals of this week, right? Like we came in with negative news, right? Negative ceasefire, Iran war news. That's what caused the big gap down, and it's just, you know, it's just absolutely no willingness to go lower. Absolutely no willingness. The only red folder event of the week is today, which we already took out the data high of that event. So yeah, it's just tough, man. You thought it was, I thought it was common courtesy as well. Great company. See, that's why you're a great company. But no, you got to earn the likes. You got to earn the likes. These guys like to withhold them. Yeah, longing Sunday open on a live account, just holding that. Oh my God. Yeah, I just can't decide what we're reaching into here, boys. Anybody got an idea? Where do you guys think the high of the week is going to come into this week? Is it today? Is it tomorrow? And where in price do you think that is going to be? I mean, I'm looking at the daily. I'm looking at the weekly. Seems like a good as area as any, especially on a Tuesday, right? But dang, man, 4 hour. I mean, where are we going, man? This daily OB's got a, you know, some 4 hour inefficiencies in here we're starting to dig into. Other than that though, gosh. Yeah, I mean, it feels like it could be anywhere in here at the moment, right? As far as like where that exact price level is going to be though, I don't know. Just seems like as good a spot as any. Like, I don't know. Like, if we were to project out this, let's just project out the opening gap from this week. Let's try this on for size. Project this out. What does it look like? We're above -1. I mean, -2 puts us at over 26,000. What's that line up with? Way the hell up yonder. Basically, like, yeah. I don't know. I'm just using that because that's really our like only manipulation this week is this. Right? Use electronic, go to the low. Yeah, -1 just above all these highs. Seems like we could be in that spot right now. Maybe we're just early. Just early, perhaps. Wouldn't be the first time, right? Gohan, I'm trading like 10 or 11 funded right now. 2 or 3 are evals. Nice little mixy poo. They had 2 weeks of undefeated trading, and now we had a loss yesterday, loss today, so 2 L's back to back. Game of runs, boys. Game of runs. Can we still look for shorts? I mean, yeah, I'm still looking for shorts. I'm just being patient. I don't know. It's really kind of a matter of when, not if, for me. You know, I would like to see a key element of time come into play with, you know, either maybe 10:30 at the earliest or maybe 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock macro, right? Another, I mean, people always ask me like what my model is. I don't have like a set in stone model. If there's anything that is set in stone with like any model that I'm looking for, it's always going to be around like time windows like that. Either tops of hours, sometimes a 30-minute mark. Like I wouldn't be opposed if we saw something that was clear and obvious around 10:30. Yeah, we hit the weekly volume balance here. Now we're kind of trading. I mean, kind of over it, aren't we? For the moment. Yeah, trading to the high end of it at least. Just nothing to do here unless you're holding longs. You know, like I said, that 15-minute bullish setup formed while we were in the short, right? And that would have been a setup by itself if you were bullish. I just wasn't bullish. But yeah, 15-minute gap. We did, I mean, I called it out in real time as we were in that trade. I said if we get a 1-minute change in the state out of that 15-minute gap, it's probably GG's. And sure enough, there you go. I mean, that's a long setup all by itself. Just using some time frame alignment there. You know, just going back to this highs at 1.8 hour. Maybe you're still holding runners. Yeah. That's how the cookie crumbles sometimes. Yeah, you realize that most of the time I trade purely off discretion. Yeah, it's funny how the chat goes back and forth on that. Sometimes you guys are saying I use only discretion. Sometimes you're saying I'm only a pattern trader. It'd be real nice if you guys can make up your mind. I'm getting confused. Am I a pattern trader or am I only using discretion? Can somebody let me know? Because I need to know my identity as a trader. Am I a pattern trader or am I discretionary? I don't even know. You guys are confusing me. Don't do that. You know what I'm saying? Don't confuse me like that. I'm just a poor little boy trying to stream over here. Listen, I'm just a poor little trading streamer. Don't confuse me more than I already am. You are both? That's a new one. So what are you guys then? Wait. Can you even be one? Can you even be? You have to be one or the other, right? I mean, you're either a mechanical trader 100% of the time, or you use a lot of discretion in your trading, and you use like mechanical things to like confirm trades, et cetera, right? Like I feel like there's only literally one of two buckets. Well, actually, I guess there's 3 buckets you could be in as a trader: discretionary, mechanical, or gambler, right? I guess you could just be totally guessing. That's actually true. The settings of what indicator, Ghost? Let me know. I mean, fucking crucify me all you want, boys. I've just... Listen. I think we're in a premium. I'm sorry. You don't have... I said this in the beginning. You don't have to agree with me, right? But if you fucking... if you're going to bring your jolly ass in this stream and you're going to see nothing but daily green candles, and you're going to sit here and tell me that I'm just... How blasphemous of you to think that we could ever... How could you not... Tyler, why are you not buying this, Tyler? Tyler, please, I know we're taking every buy-side liquidity that's ever been fucking printed in this market, but why are you not still longing, Tyler? The trend is your friend. I mean, can we be fucking honest? Like, come on. Are we being so for real? You guys actually would sit here and be like, yeah, that's a good long. Every time I see the market look like this, I long. Is that what I'm understanding from you boys and girls? I mean, you guys remind me of the people that, specifically the ones that talk like this. You guys remind me of the people that are like, yeah, I thought Bitcoin was a great buy at 126K. Abso-fucking-lutely I did. Yeah, I would hate buying Bitcoin down here, but I would love buying it up here. I mean, that's how fucking some of you are right now. You know what I'm saying? Am I crazy? Some of you might say cope, but I mean, shit. I mean, cope or not cope. That's just part of how I view the markets, boys. It's served me well many of times. It's not 100%. But then again, what is? What is 100% in trading? I'll tell you what it is. I'll tell you what's 100% in trading. Nothing. Or a YouTube live chat. A YouTube live chat is 100%. I did forget to say that. I forgot. The YouTube live chat that is the exception. All stream YouTube live chats are actually always 100% correct. I mean, that's because there's always at least one. You know what I mean? There's always going to be one that's like, fuck yeah, man. I'm fading you. And it's definitely going the other way. And then it's always, and I told you so when you're wrong. I don't know, boys. Am I crazy? Let me know. Hey, this is the daily candle, by the way. Good buy or what? I fucking dare somebody to hit buy right here. Not financial advice. Click buy right now. Hold it till the end of the day. And if you make money, I will personally give you a foot massage. Unless you haven't showered. Well, that's why we gotta wait for confirmations, chat. Listen, I feel like sometimes you guys take some things that I say so literally, like you think I'm saying you should short right now. That's not what I'm saying. If we get confirmation, I think shorts are good. If we don't get confirmation, there's just no reason to engage with it in my, like, from how I want to trade at least. You know what I mean? So, yeah, we'll see, man. We'll see. If we get something, 1030 is incoming here, so I'd be open to 1030 if we get something, but, I mean, it doesn't look like we're getting anything here, like, right, anytime soon, so maybe it's going to look like 11 a.m. open. Maybe we trade above the New York AM session high, right? Because at this point, this is what our kill zone looks like. This kill zone will close at 11. Right? Do we see price kind of grind up until then? We sweep the high and then maybe come target New York AM low. Yeah, so I might just have to be patient here, boys. Might just have to be patient. Listen, boys. You can't necessarily You can't necessarily retire your bloodline in one day, but you can blow your accounts. You definitely could do that. So everybody take a deep breath. And you wait. And whoever speaks first loses. But yeah, holy rally, boys. Holy rally. Just think, boys, we're one magnificent short away from making back those 2 losses and just being back in profit. Oh, I can see it now. Oh, it's going to hit like crack cocaine. You know what I'm saying? Does anybody watch football here? There's only right answer for what football is. Football is definitely, there's only one football, and it's American football. Because soccer is soccer. Anybody who says otherwise is just plain wrong. So I do watch American football. I don't watch soccer. I don't think I've ever watched soccer, if I'm being honest. Watching your stream plus TradingView on the plane is pretty soothing. Oh, where are you flying, Anthony? He got the plane Wi-Fi. Tuning into the stream. It is kind of fun trading on the plane, isn't it? It's kind of fun. You just set your trade. Or order a couple drinks from the flight attendant and hope for the best. Call that the Mile High Club. The fact that it has to be called American football. Hey now, hey now, hey now. That was you guys. That wasn't us. You guys got all sassy. Got your panties in a bunch. You're like, it's not soccer, it's football. You guys just can't come up with nothing on your own, can ya? No, you're like, oh, I like that name. Let's steal it. We use our feet more anyway. No one cares. It's soccer. It's soccer. At this point, I feel like I could just make a tweet saying that it's soccer, not football, and I feel like that'd probably be the best rage bait I could come up with. You know what I mean? This is going to the moon. This is going to the moon, boys. Ain't no doubt about it. Bitcoin just hit 76K. Oh, I don't care how good these headlines are. It's coming back down. Yeah, we ain't done going lower yet, boys. I don't care what anyone says. Fuck no, dude. Absolutely fucking not. Oh yeah. I can see it now. I can see it now. Perhaps a little OTE. Perhaps a little weekly fair value gap. Perhaps a little war's back on, actually. JK LOL. Got you guys fooled. Ha ha ha. Rest in peace to all your bags that you're holding. Yeah. Bank on it, buddy. Bet the farm on it. Not financial advice. Dude, is it? Hang on. That's fucking crazy, though. Like, literally, we are so close to being back at the all-time high, though, which is kind of wild. And if you think about it, we only did get as low as this monthly gap. And if you guys recall, we were looking at like the continuous chart here, seeing more data. We were more so thinking something like this, right? Perhaps just a little deeper. into this. Listen, it's always possible that the low of the year is in, but I'm just saying, you know. Shit, man. Shit. All right, man. 10:30 has come and gone. Let's see here. We did get a 15-minute sweep and a 30-minute sweep of the previous high. We're just so bullish, bro. These candles are so strong. Probably gonna have to keep waiting here, to be honest. Till closer to 11. I think that 11 a.m. kill zone high sweep might be more realistic to think right now. We'll see though. If we displace lower, it might change my tune, but. Do I trade YM? I don't. I traded it one time on stream, like probably 2 months ago or something like that. And we did take a small win on it, but no, I did I did more actively start looking at it because it has been more correlated, I feel, over the last couple of months. As opposed to like, it was just always like 90% of days I felt like Dow Jones was just always doing the exact opposite of NQ and ES. If ES and NQ were going up, Dow Jones was just going straight down and vice versa. So I was like, I'm not even gonna bother looking at it for SMT because it's just gonna be SMT all the time. And it's been a lot more correlated recently, I feel. So I've started looking at it more. Also to forward test it because I would, you know, if there ever is like really clear weakness or strength in one asset over the other two, and if I can get a good entry, I mean, I would prefer to obviously position myself in the strongest asset, right? Sometimes it doesn't always work out that way. Sometimes you miss that entry because it forms early, right? If you're in the weakest asset and you're looking for shorts, a lot of the times that weakest asset's going to form it right away, and you have to be anticipating it. And sometimes you're not always ready for it, especially if you're not paying attention. So, I guess a habit of mine is I still kind of default still to just looking to the other assets for SMTs and divergences and relative strength, weakness, but still, you know, defaulting to executing on NQ. But yeah, there's absolutely times where trading on NQ is not the move, and you should be on another asset. Not proud of it, man enough to admit it. Not proud of it, man enough to admit it. Sometimes I should be in a different asset and not NQ, but I'll still trade NQ anyway. Not proud of it, man enough to admit it. Can't say I'm not loyal. Can't say I'm not loyal. We're working on it. We're working on it. But anyway, oh yeah, did we get to, totally forgot, boys. You did get us to 100 likes and then you stopped. You said, nah, one giveaway is good enough. One giveaway's fine, right? One giveaway's cool. One giveaway's fine. Didn't want more? Hey, I get it. You know, it's good not to be greedy. You know, your parents raised you right. It's all good, but hey. I feel like we should do something a little different. I feel like we should do something a little diff. What does a boy like me want to do for you, boys and girls? Starting to see some rejection here, a little bit on this 5 now. A Love to see it right off basically 800. All right, boys. Here's what you're going to do. Here's what you're going to do. Let's do something with the IG today. Go follow the IG. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with it just yet, but go follow the IG. You're going to have to be following me on there to win the giveaway. If we get to 200 plus likes, we'll do another one. But giveaway one, we'll use IG. Just a little switch up, a little change of pace. And then if we get to another one, hop in the Discord as well, because we'll probably do it in there. All right, chat. Been getting cooked lately. I went from having a fresh funded accounts to being 400 away from them gone. Oh no. Yeah, man, it's a game of runs, dude. I mean, dude, like last couple weeks on a tear. I mean, yeah, a couple funded accounts pretty close to probably taking a payout out of them, and now I've had two losses back to back. So it's just part of the mental side of trading, right? I could sit here and blow all my progress and get all emotional, but it's just not what I want. It's not what I want to do, boys. You know what I mean? Gotta let the market come to you. Or whatever the fuck Jackie Chan would say. Or whatever, you know, whatever Jackie Chan or Bruce Lee would say, one of the two. I feel like one of them would say something real wise. I'm from Wisconsin. Wisconsin, somewhere in Wisconsin. All right, what do we do? We should do this giveaway, though, huh? While we wait. We're probably waiting until this macro, most likely. What do I want to have you boys do? How do I want to blackmail you for this giveaway today? We'll do a giveaway. This first one, we'll do a TRADEIFY Select 50K giveaway. I'm going to go grab... Later today, I'll probably go grab some LUCID accounts for giveaways, and I'll probably go grab some Apex as well. Just so we can keep this giveaway gravy train rolling. I know you boys love it. I know you boys love it. All right, how about this? How about this? Go to my last IG reel. Go to my last IG reel. I guess I'll drop it in here. Comment the word comment holy pump on the last IG reel. If you comment holy pump, we'll pick a winner out of those comments, boys and girls. We'll grab the link here. We'll grab the link. Don't worry. Don't worry. Got to comment holy pump. I had to do it that way. So like all the old comments, like fuck those old comments. You know what I mean? I don't worry about those ones. I'm worried about the ones that are here right now. Now you understand. So yeah, holy pump on the Instagram post. We'll pick a winner here in a little bit. What kind of question is that, Axe? He says, what's the point in being a day trader if we miss the moves that are straight up or only get a small bite? Well, I mean, let's think about that question a little bit. What's the point of being a day trader if you miss moves? What do you fuck it? What kind of expectation is that? You're never going to miss a move? I mean, you really think that's realistic? You're never going to get it wrong. You're never going to be offside. You're never going to take your trade off and then catch way more of the, like, miss out on a big run afterward. Like, I mean, all this shit's going to happen, man. It's all going to happen. It's probably all going to happen more than once. You know what I mean? This is the career we chose. This is what we signed up for. You can't only have the good and don't take the bad? What? This is your new life. This is your new life. And guess what? It's just getting started. Oh, is it ever just getting started? Just think from now, 5 years from now, same shit. More of the same. Hopefully you're just making more money. You know what I mean? Like, hopefully your equity curve's still going in the right direction. But this is it. This is the shit right here. You got to embrace the suck. You know what I'm saying, boys? My last name is Sorensen. Yeah, with an E-N. You're Danish? Am I Danish? I don't think I'm Danish. No, I think I'm like Norwegian and Polish. German? Maybe a little Swedish. I don't know. Maybe a little Danish. I don't know. I've never taken a DNA test. My dad might not even be my dad. Never know. All right, boys. Let's see here. Let's see these comments. So we're picking a comment. You got to be following me on IG. And you had to have commented Holy Pump. Let me refresh here. Holy guacamole. Here we go. 76 of yous. Oh, yeah. We're picking... We're double checking. You best be following. Kenny trades with the Holy Pump. Kenny trades, you dirty dog. Kenny trades. All right. Let's see if we can get this giveaway done before 11, and potentially before the macro here. Let's see if I can get away with a random comment picker. Try to make this as fair as possible. All right, let's see if this works. I don't know if this works or if I have to pay for it. I might have to pay for it. Load comments. If it picks a comment that is not a Holy Pump comment, then we're gonna rerun it. And I'll make sure, I'll double check. I'll make sure that they're following first. Yay, my tax return's ready. Well, it's not really a return, is it? No, guys, you had to comment Holy Pump on the Instagram post. You have to be following me on Instagram. Comment Holy Pump on the post. You might be a little late now, but literally just my last Instagram reel. While we're waiting here. Still got this cold, man. This cold is fighting to go away. Still a little bit stuffy. Man, it's just holding on for dear life. All right. Hopefully, I don't know if I have to pay for this or not. One winner. Let's see. Let's see if this works. For one TRADEIFY select 50K account. Best of luck, chat. Oh, here's our participants. Remember, guys, the ones that didn't comment Holy Pump, like if it's just one of these other random comments from like yesterday or something, then I'm not gonna. We'll rerun it. We'll try to rerun it if so. All right, good luck, guys. Ooh, here we go. Oh, no sound effects though. Come on, you guys gotta add some sound effects on this thing. Make it more interesting. And your winner is Connor, you dirty dog. Connor, are you in the chat? Connor, I've seen that name a couple of times. Are you in the YouTube chat, Connor? And I guess I don't know. Your name is probably different on YouTube than it is on Instagram. But Connor, if you are, I mean, I'm assuming he's here. Otherwise, how would he have gotten into the giveaway? I only announced it here. CB Trading Fit. That's you? All right, man. Shoot me a DM on Instagram from your page here. And then I'll get you a code after stream. Congrats, man. Jose's like, I'm Connor, actually, now that I think about it. I'm Brian O'Connor. R.I.P. Nika, dude. Yeah, I mean, you gotta win one of these days. Listen, it's only a matter of time, Nika. I have a feeling, Nika, that whenever you start winning, it's gonna be like you're gonna win like 3 in a row. Right? Silver lining. You're just getting all the losses out of the way. 200 likes, run it back. Exactly. Yeah, we'll start doing a giveaway every 100 likes on the stream, boys. I gotta blackmail you guys for likes. Winning streaks don't matter. Losing streaks don't matter. Making you laugh doesn't matter. You know what does? Giveaways. But yeah, I'll load up on some. I'll grab some other accounts as well. If you guys just don't want to have to wait for a code, I have some TRADEIFY ones ready to go. SMT at high macro starting. Maybe, yeah. We are in the macro now. We'll see, man. I want to see like some structure shift. I want to see like a 5-minute change and stay lower. You know, maybe gotta wait for the top of the hour, like I said, in that AM session high sweep. Looks like we are putting in a new high right now on ES. I'm just staying patient, man. Just staying patient. It's really been, obviously, like I said, pretty lopsided, so who am I to try to fight it? What do I look like, Baron Trump? Dude, on another note, though, how sick would it be if Baron Trump was just like, yeah, I think I'm going to start live streaming and do some day trading? How sick would that be? I'd watch it. You've been watching me 1.5 years and only won one giveaway. There's probably people in the chat that have never won a giveaway. Ain't that crazy? Like, I'm starting to think here. I was sitting here the other day. I'm like, man, Kevin is such a great moderator for the channel. He really is. He probably deserves that I would give him like a couple free accounts at this point. And I don't even know if he's ever won one. He might have won one way back in the day. I don't remember. The best that I've been able to do for Kevin is on like the Nightbot, you can give people a higher chance if they're a moderator or like a regular supporter. That's really the best I could do. I try to keep it fair. I really do. You know, I don't try to rig these elections. But maybe I ought to start. All the cool kids are doing it. I don't even know if Kev's Kev's watching anymore. He went MIA. Excuse me. You're Shivang from India. What's up, Shivang from India? I'm Tyler from Wisconsin. I'm Tyler from the internet. I'm AI. Yeah, man, we got 5 more minutes here. We're just still going to new highs. All right, man, we'll see if we create anything around 11. If not, I'll just wait. Maybe there's something that sets up later. My thought process really doesn't change all too much, though, if I'm being honest. But yeah, man. Pumper to the moon. That would be so fitting if like a really bad headline came out at like 3 or 4 o'clock today. And we just see price at like 4 p.m. just do one of these numbers. I mean, guys, look at this. Oh, no. Something like this is definitely bound to happen at some point. I just don't know when. But yeah, the market's loving leaving these types of moves for frickin' right when I'm not trading to make them. The next long I take, it'll happen. No shit, dude. Right as I'm like, you know what? Fuck it. I guess I'll just long. Exactly. That is exactly what'll happen. For sure. But no, yeah, I really don't see myself longing at all until after something like that happens. Funny enough, boys, the last 2 weeks, I don't know if I took a single long. Now that I'm thinking back, I don't know if I took a single long on those wins. Like, look at this. So, obviously lost yesterday on shorts. Didn't trade this day. We took some tape reads, if you remember. W on NQ short, W on NQ short, W on NQ short. This was another non-trade day. W on NQ short, banger short, another no trade day, banger short. Bro, every win was all going short. I didn't even realize that. That's funny. Maybe I have a problem. Maybe I'm too bearish. Maybe I'm perma bearish. What the fuck? I just realized that. Short, 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 short. Do I even know how to long? That's funny. I didn't even realize that. Because we barely take sell side? No, I guess that makes sense when you put it like that. I guess that makes sense. It's kind of funny that we've only gone up and somehow I had a 2.5 week winning streak just doing nothing but shorting. Been long since Tyler said buy, still floating green. Did you buy that 15-minute gap? I mean, look how expanded we are just like off of Asia session as well. 4 standard deviations, bruh. Probably 5 standard deviations. Based on just statistics, this is like an extreme anomaly. If price settles way outside this 4-hour standard deviations today, based on statistics, it's probably like less than 1% of days. Your very precise analytical calculation tells you that the market is going up. Well, in what time? In what timeline? Trick question. I mean, I think the market's going up too, overall, but that's what my long-term portfolio is for. When will I plan to short again? When a good short presents itself. Right now, it's looking like new hour just opened up. We do have SMT with the high here. AM session high being taken out on Dow. You know, so if we displace down here on the 5-minute, give us a change in the state lower. Am I open to shorting? Sure. But if we just keep holding here and accumulating or just grinding up, then it's fine. I'll just walk away. I'll check back later. I'll probably set some alerts. But yeah, that's cool to know that we can pick little random comments. I feel like the last time I used that random comment picker, I thought it costed money. So I was like, yeah, fuck it. So we can do more giveaways like that now too. Did we get the likes up to 200? Oh, not even close, boys. Guess you didn't want another giveaway. That's fine. Ah, man. Here we got Duck Race, Discord, Instagram, chat bot. We got all sorts of options. What would be like a really over the top? What would be like a really over the top request for a giveaway? I'm trying to think. I'm running 50Ks at the moment, Spy, but both are fine. It really just kind of depends. The 50Ks are probably the best like reward to risk ratio. That's pretty standard though. I think, you know, like for example, like on a TRADEIFY Select account, your profit target is 2,500 on a 50K account with a 2K max drawdown. So the return that you are required to hit to pass is, you know, less compared to like some of the other sized accounts. But some people just like having bigger margins, so it kind of just depends. Attaboy, Manny. Hey. Manny, just for you.
Nice.
Appreciate it though, man. All right, Dow Jones still pushing here now to a new high. What does this 15 look like? Even this would look good if we got a shift here. I don't know, boys. What do you think? What do you guys think of this idea? I kind of like this idea for a short, if I'm being honest with you. If we get this change in the state, I like it. I would be, I think, game to give this a try. Even just take it back to like 930 opening price. I like this if we can get it. What is a 15? Well, 5-minute closure here. Is it going to close right there? I kind of want to wait for this 15 now that I've seen that this 15-minute put in the structure. It did close. She did close, boys. That's funny. I did drop a limit on this CISD. I'll go for it here. Yeah, we'll see if we get picked up on this limit. What's up, buddy? Yeah, I see the 30-minute. Do we also have an hourly? We do, right? We do have an hourly gap on ES. There isn't an hourly gap on NQ. There is an hourly gap on ES below this hourly candle. Please pick up my limit order. Short on a bullet. What would you rather I do? Long right here? Would it make you feel better if I longed this at this point? Yeah, I saw the hourly rebalance on NQ, but this is the hourly gap left on ES. That is correct though, yeah. We'll see if we get this 5-minute gap left. This will be kind of a really big disappointment if this doesn't fill me here. Hey, knock it off. Jack. Stop. Buddy's just sitting behind me licking himself. Hey. Knock it off. Now you are guessing. You know what, Javaz? Piss off. You literally make no sense. Anyone who says something stupid is going in timeout. No, you're just guessing. You're just guessing now. Good Lord, bro. Fucking Javaz. But he was in my Instagram DMs too yesterday. Glazing. I did get filled, by the way. See what happens, man. So we have a AM high sweep here on Dow Jones. So that is our bearish SMT. In a fucking premium and a half, man. 5-minute breaker, 5-minute fair value gap. So we got a bearish unicorn here. Would like to take this down to ES and Dow Jones have this hourly gap that was left. So I'd like to see this hourly low, previous hourly low taken out on these, and then go from there. See if we can get 9:30 open. Stop loss incoming. Timeout. Revenge trading, let's go. Timeout. Oh, fuck. I think oops. Eeps. I accidentally hit that guy from the channel. My bad, boy. My bad, man. I meant to just do this. Just give you a little 5-minute. There you go. There you go. We're back. They perma timeout, literally. Tyler is the best trade? Question mark. Timeout. Everybody starts giving me compliments. Dude, this trade is amazing. Best trade I've ever seen. Timeout. This trade's 100% going to take profit. Timeout. Look at Dow Jones here. Come on, man. How are you going to go from strongest to weakest? NQ, get your shit together. Dow Jones just went from strongest to weakest. NQ, get your ass down there right now. NQ is like when you're a child. He's a little too young, but he climbed that tree just a little too. He just climbed that tree just a little too high. And you're just like, get down from there before you hurt yourself. NQ, get down from there. Listen, if you fall and break your leg, it's not my fault. I told you. I just would prefer that people don't say stupid shit. It's pretty simple. I mean, you guys have common sense. I'm not gonna sit here and baby you guys and act like you don't have common sense as well. But some of you got me. Some of you make me second guess it. You know what I'm saying? And if I see something stupid that is annoying me, then it's distracting from my trading. So I'm going to just put you in timeout. Because my trading comes first. You understand? You understand? No comprende. What else do we want to do? We did get a 15-minute closure there as well. So the 15-minute closed like this. Kind of barcoding up here. Can I explain the trade? New York session high sweep, SMT, premium, 5-minute, changing the state of delivery, 5-minute bearish gap. That's the trade. From a weekly volume imbalance, daily order block. That's it. Yeah, she keeps grinding higher, then we take a L, dog. That's all there is to it. And then we complain about this perma bull run. But yeah, an ideal situation, kind of referencing Dow here. We took out this hourly high, hourly gap here. We'll see. Stick to one trade a day. Timeout. It's kind of fun. Reddit made me angry. I've been on Reddit for 8 weeks. What are you talking about? Timeout. SL incoming? Question mark? Timeout. Oh yeah, sorry. I took the P&L off because I was switching tabs. Timeout is crazy. Timeout. Yeah, 5-minute inversion of the upside here. Not what the doctor ordered. Fucking perma bullish, bro. Stopped out. Timeout. Fucking A, bro. All right, well, I'm done. 2 losses on the day. 3 losses this week, going short. And I'll do it again tomorrow. I'll do it again tomorrow, boys. Down, let's see, 570, 568 per account. 14 accounts. Damn. When it rains, it pours, boys. When it rains, it pours. So, well, anyway, I guess, I don't know what this, bro, I just really don't know what it's reaching for at this point. I really don't know what it's reaching for at this point. It's just never-ending higher. We've been in the weekly imbalance, the daily order block for a hot minute now, so yeah. I'm just gonna let her go. That's all I can do, bro. That's all I can do. Unfortunate. You dirty son of a gun. Ah, man. Sucks losing, don't it? Sucks losing. Just had to succumb to the trend and went long. It's working out right now. Executions P&L. Fuck, I'll do the seed again tomorrow. Peace out, man. Yeah, these are the executions. These are the executions. Both trades. Well, actually, no. First trade was taken off of... let's recap quick. So we opened up higher. And we took out the data high. Obviously at open. And then in the 10 o'clock macro... my entry actually came off this 2-minute, right? We had no... Look at this wick still. This wick on fucking 9:30 open is still... like, bro, it's just straight up. Perfect equal lows at London, Asia. So, yeah, I took a short off this 2-minute inversion inside the 10 a.m. macro here. And if you guys were watching, during that trade, we formed a 15-minute bullish gap. I said, if we hit this 15-minute gap and close back higher with a change in the state of delivery, it's probably GG's, and it was. So it took a stop out there. And then here, New York AM session, kill zone comes to an end. We have S&T at that high with Dow Jones. Get nice structure shift down here on the 5-minute. And yeah, just wanted to try this. I'm viewing price in a premium, so was willing to take 2 attempts there. Both stopped out. It sucks to suck. Market execution. Yeah, sometimes, Andrew. I like to use limit orders, preferably, just because it usually gives... I mean, it just gives you a better fill if you can get it filled on a limit order. Less chasing, right? But, yeah, I use market orders. It just kind of depends. I market executed the first trade today. But, yeah, market execution works on TradeSyncer as well. Sync partials and modifications to stop. Yes, if you're on your leader account, yeah. On your leader account, everything that you do on the leader account should copy to your other ones unless you toggle them off. Do I have it on TradeSync? Do I have what on TradeSync? I mean, I have everything on, I think. I have everything on. I just do everything on my leader account. And then whenever my trade hits take profit or stop loss, I just hit flatten all. Just as like a backup. So. Yeah, man. So that's that. 2 L's on the day. We're just perma bullish, man. Just perma bullish. Obviously bulls are just printing right now. Matter of when. It will sell eventually. I just don't know when. So, yeah, man. All we can do is manage risk and not get too emotional about it. Not get too emotional. We're always one win away from being right back in green. So, just got to keep that in mind. Keep the main thing, man. That's all I can do. All right. So, do I usually win? I just got off like a 2.5 week winning streak, yeah. And I've taken 3 losses in a row, so kind of how it goes. But yeah, probably gonna just call it for the morning for sure. I'm gonna set some alerts to see if there's anything for the PM session, but I don't know, boys. This might just rally all day. Might be one of those buy forever days at this point. And you know, maybe we see the high of the week come in tomorrow. Kind of anybody's guess at this point. I'm trying to just look around here and see. There's not really anything for me to even set an alert on here, like on the hourly or the 4 hour. As of yet, like, yeah, I don't know. There's not really anything here. It's just everything's bullish. Everything's just so bullish. So I got nothing to give you guys as of right now. All right, boys. If you're back from timeout, we were just having a little fun, boys. Don't take it personal. I was putting everybody in timeout there. So, yeah, red on the day today. 2 losses, 3 losses on the week, and 1 break even. All trying to short. So, we'll be back tomorrow, boys. Same time, same place, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Appreciate you guys. And Connor, I'll get the giveaway code to you here in a little bit. Congrats on winning. As far as tomorrow goes, news-wise, we don't have anything that's red folder tomorrow. Our only red folder was today. So we have some 8:30 news, and then FOMC members speaking. That's on Friday. Yeah, so we got some 8:30 news. That's it. Orange folder. So yeah, we'll just see where we're at, man. That's all we can really do. Appreciate you guys. Hit the like button on your way out if you'd be ever so kind. What is this? Headline 6 hours ago? Okay. Yeah, man, we'll be back tomorrow. If you guys want to take advantage, 40% off LUCID, 40% off TRADEIFY, code Tyler, and then Apex is 90% off, is still running as well. Appreciate you, boys and girls. But don't worry, man. Don't be too emotional. We'll get her back. Don't be a degen, boys. Keep that head up. Keep that head up. We'll be back. We'll be back. Peace and love, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.
Wake up early, coffee to my lips. Tyler trade streaming, giving us tips. The NASDAQ hustle riding up high. John's on my playground, never asking why. ICT moves, smart money flows. Precision like an arrow, yeah, that's how it goes. Stop loss is shaking, but I hold my ground. Payouts stacking while the beats pound. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trade lots now, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age.